Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Abbott Dengue IgG IgM whole blood test kit. You can see this here. It's Abbott Bioline Dengue IgG IgM antibody test kit with using the whole blood. Let's show you around the box. You can see this here. It's a CAVD certified product. 25 test kit pack. Normal room temperature storage. You can see the reference part number is 11FK20. Let's show you around. You can see it's manufactured in Korea. You can see here the standard expiry period. If you look at in a standard, you have 2 years of expiry. The lot number is given, so the details are given here. This is what the box looks like. So I'm going to unbox this for you. Here you go, actually, yeah. Okay, here you go. You can see there is one IFE brochure. It says Abbott Bioline Dengue IgG IgM whole blood, a rapid test for the reduction of IgG IgM antibodies to dengue virus. You can see there is a complete detailed brochure. You can see this it's just a bigger brochure. Complete IFU which has the complete instructions. Just want to show this to you. You can see it has the complete details about the test, how to conduct how to prepare your samples, how to conduct the test procedures, how to interpret your results. So you have the complete details. You can see this here. Test procedure, you can see. So you get a complete IFU brochure which guide you to complete the test. I'll just put it here. Then then you can see there is a technical precaution for test procedure to get accurate results. Clear background. This one sheet shows about the technical procedure. You can see this here. Then you get 25 pieces of capillary tube, 10 ml tubes. You can see the code. You can see this here. Keep it here. You can see the capillary tubes. Keep it here. Then you see there is a reduction buffer. You can see dengue IgG IgM whole blood Bioline assay diluent. You can see this is the part, and you can see the part numbers written here. It's 5 ml per vial. So this is here. It's a C certified. Just keep it here. And then this is a 25 test kit pack. So you get 25 cartridges pack. So I'll just pull 2 for you. You can just keep it here. You can see. It says Abbott Bioline Rapid Diagnostic Test. You can see the CE certification mark is there, and there's a one test per pack. And on the back side, you can see it says Dengue IgG IgM whole blood, and you can see the lot number is here. The expiry duration is also given. This is how the total test kits looks like. Quickly to summarize here, then we seen the unboxing of Abbott Bioline Dengue IgG IgM whole blood. And this is a 25 test kit pack. In the 25 test kit pack, you get one IFE brochure and one technical preparation test procedure sheet, and 25 pieces of capillary tube and 5 ml diluent assay buffer, and then you get the 25 test kit cartridges pack. This is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.